Hi, I'm Rachel, and welcome to my channel, La Bricoleuse, where I share techniques and tricks I've learned from over 25 years as a costume craftsperson. In this video, I'll show you how I modified a pair of $20 contemporary shoes from TJ Maxx to create a completely different 1920s period style. Here's a research image of a shoe with a structure and shape I wanted to mimic, reminiscent of styles of the early 20th century. These shoes were $165 on Zappos.com. Here are my base shoes. These have sat in my closet for 3 years, entirely unworn except for once when I played an angry office worker in a music video. Don't ask. I decided to add a sort of saddle shoe shape that would extend under the arch, and on top of which a strap would be added to create those rounded flanges, like this. I've used recycled pink vinyl for this mock-up. I tried the shoe on at this point to make sure the shapes were good for my foot. I then traced the pattern pieces onto some green upholstery leather. I adhered my pieces to some thin pigskin as lining and stitched them close to the marked edge with a walking foot machine. Use proper respiratory protection when working with barge adhesive. It is a proven cancer-causing agent. And who wants cancer? Literally no one. Here, I'm cutting away the excess leather close to my stitching line. I used our industrial button press to create 1-inch diameter leather-covered buttons. I then glued the saddle pieces onto the shoes themselves. I decided to reinforce the interior of the saddle pieces with 2 small brass rivets and to attach my strap with 2 more slightly larger rivets. I then punched a hole in the strap for the button shank to go through, and the button itself is attached with a small piece of elastic. In this manner, the shoes can be slipped on and off easily without actually operating the button. And here they are, my fabulous new shoes.